So hi everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at an MP3 player running Android 14 sent to me by Pecsu. We'll go ahead, open up the box, take a look inside, and show you what it has to offer. So stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, please click on that like and subscribe button and ring that bell, and especially by clicking that thumbs up. It really does help out the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. So today we're going to go ahead and we'll take a look at the Android 14 MP3 player with Spotify. It has an app store. You have YouTube, Amazon Music, you have Libby. It does have a 5-inch screen. It does have an MP4 music player. It's designed for kids because it has parental controls, but let me tell you, I've been using it and it works great. Let's go ahead now and open up the box so you can see what it looks like. Once we go ahead and open that box, you can see that it is nicely covered and it's in some nice thick styrofoam, so this way it doesn't move around at all. Once we get everything out of the box, you can see you have the user manual for the G5 MP3 player. Right in the center is our MP3 player. Look at the size of that. Really good size. Not bad at all. And then to the right of that, we have a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And of course, we have our headphones. Taking a look at the MP3 on its side, we do have our power button, volume up, volume down. You do press that red button and it turns into a voice recorder, and on the bottoms where you could go ahead and put your micro SD card. On the bottom on the left hand side we have our speaker, then we have our charging port, and to the right that's where you go ahead and you plug in your headphones. Let's go ahead and turn it on so you can see what it looks like. Once you turn it on, you do get your splash screen. Give it a full second or so and it will come right in. Once it comes up, you get a nice, beautiful screen that is showing you the time. Not bad at all. Once your device is turned on, the first thing you want to do is go over to the gear or settings. And what you need to do is connect to your Wi-Fi. You can turn on the Bluetooth. You can check everything else in here. You can see how much storage you have. Right now, I have 52.35 gigabytes free because I have the SD card in there. You can take care of your sound, display, change the wallpaper. You could change when you want it to power off. You could change the system, go in there to the system and change your language, your time. And then, of course, you can go into About, and it will tell you all about the G5 MP3 player. So right on the main screen, we have Spotify. Then, of course, we have Free Radio by Pandora. We have Spotify Kids, Amazon Music, Apple Music, YouTube. We have Libby, Family Link, YouTube Kids. You could go on Internet Explorer. You could go into Google and, of course, your settings. Let's swipe over and go to the next screen. On the next screen, you have Audible. You have File Transfer. You have your clock. You have files. You have Sound Recorder. You have FM radio. When you plug in your headphones, it becomes an antenna. You have Google Chrome. You have music, gallery. You have a calculator. You have videos. If you have videos stored, you could watch your videos. You have a calendar. So much on here that you could go ahead and do. So right now, I'm on YouTube, and I just brought up a 4K video so you can see how the MP3 player plays. The sound is also on, so this way you can hear it also. Quality is really, really good. Another great feature about this is as Google Play Store. Click on it, comes up, brings you right in, and you can search for whatever you like. One thing it does have is parental control, which is really nice. You click on Family Link. Right here, Family Link for children and teens. Choose a device to supervise. You have another device or this device. Of course, you would go ahead and click on this device and then set it up. Now, of course, if you're an adult and you're going to be using this for yourself, what I did is when I went into the Google Play Store, let me swipe all the way over to the left, I was able to download Downloader, and of course my favorite movie program, and it does play really good. Now, I just want to give you some pointers with the Pecsu Mp3 player. You do have that 5-inch screen. It does have dual Wi-Fi, 2.4G plus 5G. The Bluetooth version is 5.0. The ROM and RAM is 64 gigabytes to 4 gigabytes. And then, of course, you do have the micro SD card slot, which is really nice. It does expand to 1 terabyte, that's huge storage for an MP3 player. And of course, your audio format is MP3, OGG, FLAC, ACC. Your video formats is AVI, MKV, MPG, MPEG, and a whole lot more. I'd like to thank Pecsu for sending me this MP3 player to show all my subscribers and to everybody else. This device is really great. A well worth MP3 player by Pecsu. There will be a link down in my description down below. Go ahead, click on the link, get yourself this great MP3 player. Thank you for watching. And remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.